The inverter apparatus for MIG MMA welding was created using the improvement of AIGB technology. The device is successfully used in the production, household sphere. It has a simple, intuitive control panel. There are both 2-stroke and 4-stroke modes. One of the distinctive features of this device is an easy change of polarity. External connectors make the connection safe, fast and reliable. Thanks to the automatic wire feed, welding can be carried out in high-speed mode. It can work with conventional welding wire, fluxed, as well as aluminum and stainless. The wire diameter is from 0.6 to 0.8 mm. Thanks to special holes on the side panel of welding inverters, internal components are cooled. With a small weight and the presence of a handle, the device is easy to carry around the work area. The durable metal case will provide reliable protection of the internal components of the model from mechanical damage. Separately, it is worth noting the burner, which provides push-button control and air cooling. It is connected to the lightweight flexible hose package by means of a hinge, which will provide maximum comfort and allows welding work to be carried out for a long time without fatigue. The sleeve is made of high quality, will not be afraid of hard bends and will not collect dirt during operation. Choose only high-quality equipment and only from a trusted supplier. This will be the key to your successful work.